What's happening, Thompson Takeover? Today we are decided that I'm gonna make like a little cookie cake, I guess, Valentine's cookie cake for the kids. Just some quick little treat. It's pretty quick. I'm not doing homemade chocolate chip. I'm gonna use this chocolate chip dough, and then I'm gonna do some M&Ms. I decided not to go with sprinkles. I'm gonna just mix this in. That's the kids in the back, y'all. If y'all hear noise, kids in the back. So you just need this if you're using this, or just regular dough that come out the carton. The Valentine's blended M&Ms. I'm using a heart-shaped cookie pan. You can use whatever kind of pan you want them to make. A bowl. I need 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and then 2 tablespoons of water, and then I have my little spatula. I'm going to cut this open. I'm doing something quick today. I would have did the carton this time, but I'm gonna do this. So I'll put this in there, and then it just says to add 1/3 cup of vegetable oil and an egg and 2 tablespoons of water. Get my tablespoons. And it's that simple. So all I got, I'm gonna start mixing it. That's something quick I came up with for the kids. Hopefully it fits my heart. Could have used 2 packages, but we don't need that much. Something simple. Spray my pan. I decided not to opt with parchment paper today. We're almost out of spray. We're gonna see how this goes. Yeah, I'm gonna add my M&Ms just a little bit, not a lot, just a little bit, because there's already chocolate chips in there. All right, so I'm about to add a few M&Ms, not too much, just a few. I already got chocolate chips in here. No, baby. The baby in the backyard, he back there eating him some eggs. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my pan. Hopefully it fills my heart. I'm gonna try to make it work. I'll probably put some more M&Ms on the top. It fits perfect. Yeah, we're gonna put some M&Ms on the top. So those went to the bottom. So we're gonna put some on the top. Not a lot, because like I said, we don't need all that chocolate. So this is how it looks, but I'm about to go ahead and add some more M&Ms in the front. I mean at the top. And these are just regular chocolate M&Ms. If y'all want peanuts, y'all can do peanuts, but my kids is eating this, so I opted out for peanuts. I look like they already, that tells how long they probably been sitting in the store. You're already fading, the M's going away. What you talking about, boo? Want a cookie? Want a cookie? Huh? No? I'll put like 2 or 3 more, and then I've already preheated my oven. Like I said, y'all can use any kind of dough, but preheat my oven to 350 for about, probably since it's a cookie cake, I'm gonna say 20 minutes. So this is how it's looking. I'm gonna put this in the oven and then we're gonna come back with y'all. All right, so this is how it's looking. I took it out the oven. I'm gonna add some M&Ms to it for a little bit of decor. Got everything cleaned up. And then we're gonna take it out the pan and show y'all the finished product. All right, y'all, so this is the finished product. This is how it's looking. Came out so nice. So I'm about to cut it up, put a little ice cream on it, and then we're gonna see how it come out. It's just like a little heart-shaped chocolate chip cookie. So let me show y'all how it looks plated. Don't mind the dog. That's my baby. Got the dog on the table down there. That's how we looking, y'all. All right, y'all. Finished product. This is how it's looking. Nothing too, some slight. All right, y'all. So, about to have us a little afternoon treat because it's about almost afternoon here. Just something quick, little Valentine's. If y'all like that video, just comment down below if y'all want to see more videos like that. Like I said, I just did the chocolate chip in the pack. I could have did homemade, all that, but if you want to do something real quick for the kids, it ain't gotta be nothing difficult, you know. It depends on the day, you know. Some people go over the top, but it's something simple and quick. All you need is the Cupid blend. I think that's the name of them, M&M's, chocolate chip mix, and then I just got some chocolate chip ice cream because that's all I have in my freezer, but I would prefer vanilla ice cream. But yeah, y'all comment down below. Let me know what other videos y'all would like to see. And it is Super Bowl weekend, but it's just a chill day for us. You know, chill a lot on a Sunday or whatever. But I hope y'all have a great weekend, rest of the weekend, and I will see y'all later. Peace.